up and your breath gets shallow and the palms get clammy. You face head-on the cancer treatment regimen that you've been outlined, including biopsies, surgeries, perhaps chemotherapy, and maybe even radiation. And you've made it through all of this, and then you heard news that your cancer is in remission and you think that you are all done, finished. But not only done with that chapter of life, but done with that whole book. And then you notice changes. You can't raise your arm to wash your hair anymore. Your arm feels heavy after cleaning the house. You feel pain when you lay on that side. And the scar just seems to be getting larger and tighter, and your skin feels extremely sensitive to touch. Sometimes you wake up and have a full day of activity, but can only muster half a day of energy. Well, if these are symptoms that sound familiar, this course is made for you. I review the effects of cancer treatments and address lesser known common effects of the treatment. These include axillary web syndrome or cording, scar tissue tightness, skin sensitivity, lymphedema, and crippling fatigue. My name is Bettina Brown, and I'm a board-certified physical therapist and wound specialist and certified lymphedema therapist with additional training in breast cancer rehab. I have been honored to work with hundreds of women and a few men with over 5,000 hours of direct one-on-one treatment over my 15-year career. My patients have been delighted and excited about their successes and have been gracious enough to write testimonials highlighting their experiences. I created this jargon-free course with an initial evaluation in mind. I go into detail about symptoms that many post-breast cancer individuals describe to me and address common questions that most of my clients have during their one-on-one time with me. The goal of this course is to provide you that information that you may be wanting to ask, but you weren't sure who to ask, or perhaps now you're experiencing changes and aren't sure if there's anything you can do besides just live with it. Have you ever stayed awake at night thinking about what your life is going to be like in the future? Well, these are the 4 main goals of this course and can help answer that question. You will be able to describe frequently reported symptoms that women describe after breast cancer treatment. You will also be independently able to complete a self-massage technique to reduce scar tissue tightness and pain. You'll also be able to tell the difference between post-surgical swelling and lymphedema and know when it is time to talk to a healthcare professional. And finally, you'll be able to perform a short, safe stretching and exercise routine. I invite you into this course to watch the different videos about symptoms and the videos in which I demonstrate the stretching and basic exercise routine. These activities help reduce tension, reduce stress, and boost your energy level. Research has shown that they also reduce the risk of breast cancer recurrence. So this is a risk-free opportunity for you to help yourself, a friend, or a loved one. Wouldn't you like the chance to replay nuggets of information from a healthcare professional? And that is exactly what you can get in this course, as you have lifetime access through Udemy. Neither breast cancer nor breast cancer treatment have to own more moments of your life. You can have pleasure and enjoyment for years to come using the valuable tips and information presented in this course.